Each day has something fun to do. Are you ready? Let's start with Sunday. Sunday, on Sunday, I like to go to the park and play. Can you say Sunday? Monday, on Monday, I read books with my friends. Can you say Monday? Tuesday, on Tuesday, I make yummy fruit smoothies. Can you say Tuesday? Wednesday, on Wednesday, I paint colorful pictures. Can you say Wednesday? Thursday, on Thursday, I water my flowers. Can you say Thursday? Friday, on Friday, I play ball with my friends. Can you say Friday? Saturday, on Saturday, I bake cookies. Can you say Saturday? Let's say them all together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great job, friends! Now you know